What do you want Mama to do, honey?
And play around.
And play Gee round? Do you want her to push you?
No, Mama, I want to make them.
Mama do what?
Mama, I want to make them.
Mama underdog you again?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. I know,
I see you.
It's raining.
It is raining. It's about time to go in, isn't it?
All right, say bye-bye.
No.